Lily Ray's here, the Hoboken Art Gal here. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I ordered a couple of things from Temu and I received it last night, so I waited until this morning to go ahead and do the unboxing with you, and then we'll, if we have time, we'll do a review of one of the two products. Otherwise, I'll have a second video on the actual products. So I'm gonna use my scissors over here, my little Tim Holtz scissors. And I know that I ordered storage for my artwork, which I will show you in a minute. This storage comes from Temu. Let me keep my paperwork just in case I have to send something back. Here we go. I'm going to lose my clicker there. Boy. Well, this time they packed it well. The last time they sent me something, I ordered a ceramic palette and it arrived broken in half. So they gave me a refund for that. But this time, it seems like they packed it a little better, which I appreciate. I was looking forward to using my palette, and I'll show you that in a minute. I had to actually, instead of throwing it out, I tried to glue it together. Alright, so here we have 3-hole punch, which I can always use. I have one for, I have a corner rounder, but it's the big contraptions. I forget what they're called, but I have 3 of them. So this is good. I'll definitely be using that. I don't think I need to open that. I'm gonna leave it. And then this is what I was looking forward to. These are supposed to be the Black Swan brushes. It does say, are these? It does say Black Swan somewhere. Let's see. I have 7 brushes, a 1, a 2, a 4, a 6, a 9, a 10, and a 12. And since we know that everything is made in China, I figure, well, let me give them a try. My fingers are not working today. I'm supposed to go to the nail salon to get myself a manicure, but I want to open my package first. And we're going to test these in the water. I bought 2 sets. One like this. This is the 12. Oh boy. Here we go. And then let's see, this one. This one's a little warped. I could see that right from the get-go, which is okay, so long as the bristles work. So I have some water on my left side here. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in water while we chat. My garbage right underneath. So let's go ahead and open all of these. the other ones look to be straight, not warped. This is a 10. This is my favorite size because you could do everything with that. And then this one looks a little warped. But I'll know if it was worth it once I start working with them. Okay, so let me just go ahead and put these in this water over here, not too deep. Just make sure that the ferrule is not dipped in underneath the water. Okay, and then I thought I would get these are clips that will hold your pen. I'll show you here with my cat book. So this is my book. You can put it like this. And then I can actually put in a pen like this. Since I'm making my own watercolor books, I thought I could use one of these, which I have in my wooden contraption that my husband made me. I like that. Okay, so I will do a video using these on my sketchbooks. And then these are the other ones that I got. These are Taklon brushes, which don't hold a lot of water, but enough that you could use with gouache or acrylics. Okay. So I have a little case for them. Actually, I have a little box for them. I'll show you another contraption that I purchased for my brushes and my pencils. So here we have a 0, 000, 7, which is my favorite size, 2, 400, well, it's little, number 4, 00, number 5, a 6, a 1, and a 3. I will dip these in water and take the glue off of them. And the ferrule is from here to here. Make sure that when you set them in water, they're about to here, never over the ferrule, because when water gets in, the wood swells up and then your brush will crack. So we can do these as well. Okay. And this, I don't remember what this is. Oh, this is my palette. Oh, I was so excited to purchase this one, my wooden palette. Oh, this is excellent. We have to add another magnet to that. Excellent. I'll do a review on this. If this works out, then I will. This is going to be for my travel kit, which I already have. And then this is my apron. Look how pretty! Oh yes, it's a kitty. It's a kitty cat. Beautiful. Excellent. Okay, set that aside. And then this is my kitty cat rug. So I'm expecting another package because I did order some storage. Oh, look how big it is. It's as big as my table, and my table, the length of my table is 48 in length. Look how pretty. Let me do it this way. Home sweet home on this side, and some kitties on this side, and then the bodies, and it matches my apron. Oh yes. Okay, I'm gonna go throw it on my floor. Give me a second. Oh yes. Excellent. Oh boy. Nice. Oh, how pretty. How pretty. Okay, so let's see if we play with the brushes. This also I got on Temu. It's a palette. I love it. This one I created myself. I went to the dollar store, bought the little contraption, and then I used acrylic paint to match the colors that were already here, and then I did a decoupage on the top. If you want me to do a video on this, let me know, and I will do a short video for you on that. Okay? All right. So that's that. I have two of my palettes here. I also have my brush holder. Let's see what's there. Okay. I have my I don't know if that was enough time, but let's see how they feel. Good enough. This is my vintage palette by Prima. These are the colors. Vintage pastels. And these are my Daniel Smith watercolor palette that I created. So, let me spray bottle. I'll spray the vintage first, the vintage palette. And this is just a test. And then my Daniel Smith. I want to keep saying Daniel Steele. Alright, so that we will. I think I have too much water in there. So this is the palette that came and it was broken. This one. Isn't it beautiful? So I repaired it with some duct tape. I glued it and then I put the duct tape. So you could see there, I I haven't tested it out, but we can do that now. I need another. Let me get a blue shop towel. I'm gonna put these over here. Actually, let me put them over here. There we go. We'll let those drain. I have a pad over here. See if we can situate this so that I can work here. I think you could see me there. Okay, so let's try the number 8 Mondrian or brush 300S. Let's use my vintage palette here. Actually, I should have wet my paper first. This is just a cellulose paper. This is my practice paper. Let me let's try this charcoal. My palette is still a bit dry, but I'm gonna go with it. Nice. Let's put it this way. Do a bigger one. Number 10. This is my dark rose. I had ordered some other brushes from Temu, and right away I knew that they weren't going to be any good. They were junk. And these don't feel that way. The brush has a nice feel to it. This vintage pastel palette is good for florals because it's so transparent. I personally love gouache. Okay, let's do a number 12. That's a pretty big brush. And let's let this bleed into each other. I'll be using these more often. I like the feel of them. And the brush head is pretty nice. Let's see. Yep, look how fine you can make the lines. Nice. Okay, these are a hit. And then the number 4. This color here just makes me happy. It's too dry. This is one of my favorite colors. And this is called Breezy. Let's use this green, which is Apple Blossom, and we'll do some lines with that. You have to hold it straight up for your lines to be thin. I should have my other light on with all this shadow I have on my paper. There. Nice. Okay. Last but certainly not least, 0. And we'll use, let's use this yellow. I'm not a fan of yellow. I mean, not this particular yellow. This yellow I like. I'm not a yellow person. I love blues, purples, pinks. Nice. And the hairs are not coming out, which is excellent. The other ones that I bought from Temu are these. You see how the hairs are splayed? I mean, I use them when I'm doing gouache because they're soft, but the minute that the hair starts to come out, I throw it out because it's frustrating. So that's that. Let's try these. And these are, as I said, Taklon, golden Taklon. Let me use, I should have used my gouache with this, but I'm gonna use the Dana Steel watercolors. I have to get magnets for these. This one feels really nice. Yeah, very nice. Oh yeah, I think these are gonna be a hit. I won't go through all of them. I don't want to continue to bore you. Let's use this brown one here. Let's use this 000. We'll do blue on that one. It comes to a really fine point. I'm happy with these. Let's use this one. No hairs coming out. Excellent. Okay. All right, what else do I have? Okay, here I have a combination of my gouache right here. And I have, these are the Holbeins on this side. And then on, these are all Holbeins, these here. And then these are my Sui, S-U-I gouache, which I love. They never get pasty. These here are for, these three here are from my Hemi gouache. And I put a little bit of glycerin to keep them nice and jelly. That feels really good. Yep. This is what I had left from my Hemi gouache. The others I used. Love that color. So vibrant. And then these are my Holbein. Yeah. You can tell that these are quality. And then my Sui, these are like butter. Let's put it over here. I love this mauvey color. Beautiful. Okay, let's do the red in the suey. Nice. Yeah, these brushes are gonna work out perfect. Okay, let me try one of these swan brushes. I want to try the number 8, number 8. And let's see, this is the rougher wash. I think I have a hit with both of these brush collections. If you're interested in the information for the brushes, either brush, let me know in the comments down below. I can see through Temu if I can get a link for the brushes. But those are a hit. So that is all that I have for you today. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and testing of brushes. Leave your comments down below. Don't forget to hit the like. You know the drill. And I will see you in my next video. Take care.